baby. May I one day for your body like a tattoo.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marilyn, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my wig. Okay, in case anybody's wondering, I got this hair from Unice hair, and it came bone straight in black bundles, but I made it into a wig, dyed it a couple of times before making it into the wig and after making it, because it kind of was really hard to bleach this hair. I don't know why, but I got it to look like this at the end of the day. For this video I'm just going to show you guys the basics, like show you guys my secret on how I make my wigs perfectly, so they don't have, like, you know, those lumps and everything is like laid smoothly. So if you're interested in knowing how I make my wigs, just keep on watching, but be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below what you guys think about the hair, and future video suggestions would be appreciated as well. Until then, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now. Alright, to start off guys, you're gonna need like a wig cap, a band, wig clips, pair of scissors, and of course needle and thread. So I'm gonna start off by placing the hair just right in the front where the cap starts, and I'm gonna try to pin it down so it's gonna be easier for me to sew it, and do this on both sides, and also put one pin at the back of the closure. For the next step guys, you're going to use a threaded needle to pass it through the cap, the wig cap first, and then put it through the lace of the frontal, and just extend that all the way out and make a knot. So you're just going to keep doing this, like put it through the wig cap first, then through the lace of the frontal, and wrap it around at least 2 times. This is just going to help secure it so it doesn't come off, and it's pretty strong, I mean like the threading. So do this for just one side, and once that is done, do it for the other side. So you're going to do both sides first of the lace closure, and then you do the back next.
And I just got broken, broken into 2, yeah. Still I call it magic when I'm next to you, yeah, yeah. And I don't. No, I don't, it's true. No, I don't.
Once you're done with both sides, you're going to take off the wig clip from the back and then stitch the back. Remember to cut off your leftover thread from the needle. Now to start off sewing the bundles, you're going to sew from ear to ear of the mannequin head. So I'm going to start off with that right on top above the ear of that one, and take it all the way to the second ear. And the stitching is pretty much the same thing, just pass it through the wig. Here you're not going to be doing the wig cap first, you're going to take the needle, pass through the weft, and then followed by the wig cap, and then wrap it around 2 times. Some people do not like to pass the needle through the weft because they say it causes shedding, but I generally don't mind it, so I do it anyways. But yeah, you could just take it over the weft rather than putting the needle through the weft just to minimize shedding. It's totally up to you, but I just prefer doing it this way. Now, as you can see, I'm done taking it from one ear to another, so I'm gonna just turn, because I don't want to cut the weft. I don't want to cut it, so I'm just gonna turn it around and stitch it just right above the first line, like that, and keep going.
It's fake hills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust.
And this is what one bundle of the hair looks like. So I'm just gonna connect the second bundle to where the first bundle stopped and keep going. I'm still following the ear to ear method. And after that, after the second bundle, I'm going to show you what to do next. But pay close attention, guys, because I'm going to double the weft in the middle of the head just to give the wig a fuller look.
Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. You are what see me brain. The only special one for me.
So right about now, it's okay for me to double the weft, as you can see. So I just flipped it over into, like, I just doubled it up and sewed it across the 2 wefts joined together. So this is just going to make the hair look fuller.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy yard, say she give me pommy yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard.
And another trick, guys, instead of turning both bundles, because now I'm working with 2 wefts together, right? I don't want the ends to be bulky, so I'm going to split it again towards the end. I'm not cutting it off, but just open it up and use one weft to go to the end while keeping the other one where it is. And after sewing it up to the end here, you're just going to flip over one weft. I hope this is not confusing at all. Flip over one weft, and when you reach the point where the second weft stopped before, you're gonna join them together. So just keep watching, and I think you would see what I mean eventually, hopefully.
Give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man them me looking at the think so. Girl your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me filler wine. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl you are what see me brain. The only special one for me.
So after flipping that one bundle, I'm gonna join it right about now and continue sewing as double weft.
The only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
I'm not gonna fold the weave back over. I'm just gonna take it all the way to meet the frontal, and at that point where it meets the frontal, then I'm gonna fold it.
And I used to have a lot of problems sleeping in the night time when the bugs surround the brightest light. I know you used to have a lot of problems staying on the right side. Put your heart on the line, praying hard that the man is the one. I know you said that you would never trust another person too. You see, not a boy but a man with a...
And once that is done, you're gonna come in with the weave and fill up the gaps. So just keep watching, pay close attention.
Your peak. See, a king is a king, and you wanted a man with virtue. Thought his love wouldn't last, so you gave him your youth on a... The woman said, love me, and I'll give you something sweeter than the nectar in the flowers. Don't you tell me that you're busy, 'cause it's after hours now. But the king is a king, and you wanted a man, not a boy with a soul. Village boy, village boy.
Once you get it all the way to the end of the other frontal, you just cut that part off.
But I know I'm a village boy. And I got to get to work, to get to work. I'm a village boy, but I know I used to have a lot.
So just take that all up so it doesn't get into your way. And you're gonna continue just right from where you stopped, but this time you're gonna go from the frontal to meet your bundle.
Have time on my hands, but I gotta make the change into dollars into money, so you gotta let a man be a man. I wasn't born a rich guy with a nice crib and a whip. Never with coca, I only with Gotti and late nights while I was up working and starving and thinking about vacation into the islands with you. I'm a king bud, everybody trying to be a Simba. See everybody trying to take a shortcut. Just trying to...
Fill up the gap, and that's basically how to make a wig. I did use all the bundles of the weave, so I'm just gonna make sure I fill it, because I kind of like my hair really full, so I'm just gonna make sure I put it in every spot where it's scanty.
So in the nighttime, we may fight, girl, we may fight like couples do. In the nighttime, I would rather be nowhere. The woman said, love me, and I'll give you something sweeter than the nectar in the flowers. Don't you tell me that.
And here I already put the band and wig clips just for extra security, and just cut off the wig cap where the lace is, so it's gonna come out looking like a U-shaped cut.
After hours now, but the king is a king, and you wanted a man, not a boy with a soul. Village boy. Woo. But I know I'm a village boy. Woo. Ha. Yeah, and I got to get to work.
And you also want to cut off the excess lace from the front. Carefully do this though, so you don't cut off the hair. And I went ahead to tweeze my frontal, cut it and dyed it. So I bleached it at this point to get this color, and I just straightened it up and colored it before I wore it. And that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye now.